waist and talk to me now. Shimmy, shimmy, shake, one bad piano. When I go low, let me dance, you know. Make me bounce, 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 shake it. Me look good in my clothes and give me a heart or bank, I'll break it. And then you can get the best of me. Don't stop. I love to break my back. Me love to move my waist like that. Waist trim but the ass so fat. Just pop it, you know I love.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I literally just came to Fontana to get some stuff because I'm gonna go home and I'm to the nail break off. The nail finally break off. Remember I was telling you guys in the previous vlog? So I'm just gonna change it. Nothing, no biggie. I mean, it's a good while before I actually put on my carnival set, so that's fine. Anyway, let's do a little car haul. Now these are stuff that I definitely could have brought down, but the weight, you know, I never want over. I definitely had to rearrange too much in my suitcase. Granted, at last minute I realized, if you know, this is just excuses, because at the end of the day, because I upgraded my flight, I was entitled to 6 bags, so I could have just brought an extra bag, but that would have been a lot for me. Anyways, I already made up my mind that I wasn't going to, you know, I wasn't going to bring it down with me just because of the weight. So I bought 5 boxes of jet black hair dye, because I'm gonna dye my natural hair. You guys know the vibes. It's been around 6 months since I last dyed my hair, so I got all the same brand. This time I got Dark and Lovely. So I got 5 of those, because I'm also going to dye my raw Burmese curly bundles and my closure that I'm gonna make make my wig. Yeah, I even have to make my wig. Dang, I wanted a gel liner. I forgot to go. I knew I was supposed to get something in Sephora, but I forgot. I'm gonna go back and just order it. I don't know, but I needed one right now because I didn't bring the one that I have, just because I did say I was gonna buy a new one and I didn't forget. So anyways, I get this. I always get, oh, this is actually Black Radiance, just a liquid eyeliner, because a black eyeliner is always necessary. I knew that I needed a travel size eco gel, so I got a gel. What else did I get? And oh, I needed a mousse for my curls. I already have conditioner in case, so a mousse always comes in so clutch to redefine your curls, especially when you're wearing curly textures like even this. It makes it easier to detangle and just make it look nice and shiny. And if you want to keep it with the wet look, this one is enriched with macadamia oil. It's Viragol mousse. I know this brand, I always get it. It's been a while since I got it though. So yeah, got all of those. Actually went and did my upper body. I was gonna actually start out with that, but I'm saying, you know what, no, but go no. I gave you guys 2 gym or 2 workout sessions in the previous vlog, so I'm gonna say, wait, this must be nice. Now I head home. Oh, we need to get water. We ran out of water, because you know we get water in bulk, so we're gonna get that. But I'm gonna go home, and I guess after we get that, I will probably pull my hair out, wash it, all that good stuff, and redo my nails. Mama just, you know, applied some dye in my hair for me. Oh, it is shadow, yeah. But I'm gonna leave this in for, oh, Mama just put it in. So yeah, I look crazy right now, but adjust the process. That's how it is. And yeah, can you remove my ear? Can I Freddy? Yeah, can you remove my ear for me, please? Yes. So the duty.
I don't know what to do with this. I don't like me did have a choice.
Wow.
Actually pissed.
Oh my god, so annoying. Mommy will put me for all long. Mommy will put me all long for don't pull out my ear. Like my hair took so long to unravel, guys. So finally trying the things. I'm late to the party. It's very late, but I've been want a red stripe mango.
She's trying it with the red stripe mango ambassador herself.
All right, let's give it a taste. Oh, you know it isn't. We'll put it in a freezer. Yeah, this definitely giving a tear up from lemon.
Right?
Yeah. Nah, it's not like overly sweet. You know, you think, cheers. I was thinking it was gonna give like the mango Smirnoff, but yeah, this is like 5 times better than that. That's like soda in a way. No, yeah, for real.
What the mango
this is very like summer.
No, but like, is it nostalgic too?
in a way, but I can't remember what exactly.
Is it a mango sweetie? It's really mango?
Yeah, in a little way. It definitely have like a genuine mango flavor. Yeah, I feel like we don't get this first over any other flavor.
Yeah, this is a go-to.
Yeah, no, like we can't say it. It's really not overpowering.
It's so nice, right?
It's good. It's very refreshing. Love it. I never lied. I never lie. Yeah. You could definitely put in your freezer.
Nice though, yeah.
Oh, this is so good. If you don't know, yeah, do you drink a try it. But yeah, guys, had to try this. Tomorrow we're going out.
We're going out on the town.
I mean, we're just going out for dinner. That's it. We check out this new spot. You never go there.
I've never been.
So we're just like we're gonna check out Abbey 23, and we're going to go to get your after vibes at Darbar.
Never been to Darbar. No.
Yeah, so them set of vibes good around here. So we're gonna on a Thursday though, them always say like Friday to Sunday is like really lit.
Them being Google because I don't know.
I have to go check further. I want to make my wig. I actually dyed my bundles, my Burmese bundles, guys. Jet black today. You guys know the obsession with the jet black already. Yeah, so I dyed it, and I'm just gonna. I didn't want to start make the wig tonight, but let's just want to get started away. So I might start make it even if I don't finish make it tonight. 'Cause I was late, and all I will get dolled up in the TV yet for giving an outfit of the night, but I'll try. Hopefully remember, because sometimes when it reaches point and I tell you that I'm gonna do that, completely forget. But we're on our way to check out this fairly new, well, it's just a new restaurant by the name of Ivy 23. Yeah, so we're gonna see what vibes is giving, what the food is giving. This is dinner. Oh, here? No, we'll go. Oh, Sheree. It's not here, so it's not. What kind of business is really though? I'm not saying. Yeah, in kind of apartment. I was like, this is not a place. Okay, so this is Shami. Yeah, cutesy. And this is Rasheen. And this is me. Check my TikTok shop showcase if you want the jumps. Okay.
Okay, this is cool. This is so cool.
Yeah, real good. Yeah, let's see.
Where are the winners of this round?
Well, the winners are true. So the chef rock from the top, I have problem with sandwich. You know, chicken salt? And then move the kind of salt.
What chicken salt to salt?
Definitely white rice. Yeah.
Yeah.
The oldest a beer looks like a good
So weird.
That's what I said.
It's a holiday. It's an eve of a holiday.
How much was that in? Here? Yeah, the dinner.
-5.
My God. 5. Oh wow.
No comment because of the girl at the front desk. Taste the girl.
4.
You did enough.
The salad wasn't bad at all.
I don't.
At all, but the chicken that they added was really soft. If them they just control the salt, I think that's the common issue with most. I think that's a common issue with most of the meals, like
The meat.
the meats. Yeah, the protein was very salt. Funny about that, it probably could have come up to like a 7.
The corn taco was
Yes, the corn taco for the small plates. That was really good. The spicy chicken dumpling, that was good for me. Everybody think it's too spicy, but it does say spicy. That was good, but everything else just too salt. Customer service was not the best. The waiter that we had wasn't bad. He was pleasant, but the people that were supposed to seat us, they were not.
Terrible.
They left us, you know, the girl come
And
and
then them car which we do like.
Terrible.
yeah, they come and cover through the thing.
I said them car like, but
That was weird.
I think, and you know, it's a young thing, you know, it's because we're young. Them things go up here for waste time and waste money, but that's not their business.
Yeah, that's very off-putting. So
that's even that don't no, that's
the ambiance is number 'Cause it's Good Friday. Happy Good Friday. Listen, last night I expected more from last night. Like, the biggest thing, I was looking forward to the restaurant because I really wanted to try out some good food, you know. Like, I like trying out the new spots, them. Just no, I need a do-over. So yeah, no, as in not at the same place, but yeah. And you know, the funny thing, I had a research, look up the reviews and stuff. Now granted, there were some mixed feedback, but no, it wasn't too crazy. I saw one video that kind of saw me, was somebody was saying that it's budget friendly, like saying that the food was really good and that it's budget friendly and the ambience is really nice. Now I know that usually with those restaurants with those nice ambience isn't that budget friendly, so I was like, that's rare. definitely not budget friendly. So yeah, it's like, you know, the average. Like small, like put it like this, a small, they have a lot, like a small plate section. Nothing, most of the stuff are over 2,500 GMD, and it's a small plate. You get me? So yeah, and we ordered a bunch of small plates, and it's just like we got so much, but it felt like nothing. And then we got the entrees. The salad was really good, but yeah, then I know something going on with the chef and the salt. You guys heard mommy them. But yeah, that's how that was. Raw bar was, it was good music. The drinks, didn't get any food there. Both places, the drinks were not hitting at all. It's underwhelming, but the music at Raw bar was really good. Got really packed though, which is a common thing that I hear. You know why I'm sit down here, so make me come go on. I want a latte. I was gonna go to this spot that I always usually go, like from long time, Rituals, but them closed, which is weird because usually food places are open. So that's, you know, if I tried that place before I left, everybody I rave over it, and it stays with a line. Church's chicken. Anyways, I'm gonna get one latte, you know. I'm gonna head home. One rat in the road, dead in the road. Wow. Yeah, so that's how last night went. And a lot of things were happening last night because today is a holiday, so everybody was outside partying, living their best life and stuff. But yeah, and yeah, my workout on a Good Friday. This thing gotta get it done. Shaman's makeup. I wanted to do the pink look. Catch the full video on my TikTok. Yeah, but this is it, and she's dressed. We're going out for dinner.
Simple tonight.
Yeah, simple, you know. And this is me. You can get the jumpsuit from my TikTok shop showcase. Really love the flared vibe, and then it's backless. I haven't checked in with you guys because not much in for one. Didn't go anywhere today. Like, yeah, we were just inside, and I got some filming done and all of that. I never do much editing. I just film for the most part. So we just go outside from there. Everybody just been chilling, and we really been taking it easy, guys, because it's next week. Next week I've beer up and down. Yeah. But tonight we're actually going to check out a spot we never checked out before. It's not as new as the previous restaurant we checked out earlier on in this vlog. It's been around for like a year now. Is it like a year? Yeah, like a year. So we're just going to check that out. It's Bombay Darbar, yeah. So let's see what the food is giving. A little bit because we were a little too early for our reservation, which I'm glad to reach early because it seems as if we never reach on this time. It's full up here, full man. Up here is a hot spot, so everybody is like here, everybody is dressed nicely, you know, like a lot of celebrations and stuff. We made our order, so now we're just waiting. But the seating arrangement kind of just weird, but in here has a really pretty ambiance. It's very nice.
Formulada para la bolsa, cuando pomolada para la cosa, para la bolsa, cuando pomolada para la bolsa.
Actually, we came to TGI Fridays because I'm tired for trying new places for this vlog. The one of the places them let me down. I'm gonna check the food around there, shall we? 5, 4. I'm gonna check the food boy. 3. Yeah, I feel like them a 4. Like, no, them try with the ambience. The ambience was actually nice, but it's too small. The seating arrangement set up really weird. Like I think, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But we're at TGI because I was like, maybe we could try out somewhere else, like another place I've never tried before. But I'm kind of tired, so TGI is literally like right across the road. So we just come to get more. We're gonna even get a shot. You know. I said no, yeah, because the drink something gets sweet. It's too sweet. I got a Miami Vice. It was too sweet. Food wasn't horrible. The guys, they gave me this salad and literally, I'm not getting a lettuce. It's just cucumber and carrot and onion. Anyways, that's how that went. Not the best experience, but the man tried. Like they tried. They weren't rude. But they need like more organization. This is the thing, and I really don't want to come off like, oh, I'm so picky, or I'm literally trying to tell you guys the truth. We just attack the truth, you know? Like, I don't want to. Anyways, we're just gonna have drinks now at TGI, so yeah. Guys, I'm fresh. It's Sunday. Gave you guys a little skincare. If you're hearing a little like sound in the back, it's the washing machine. I need to do a little bit of laundry, but I'm not really ready yet. I feel like probably mid next week I'll probably do laundry. But yeah, anyways, yeah, I did a little skincare. Those are what, as you guys know, if you've not been keeping up, those are the products I've been using for the past couple months consistently. Okay, the only part I didn't get to show you was when I was washing my face. By the time I remember, I already washed my face. But all of those products that I use, by the way, they're linked in my TikTok showcase, and that's in my description box if you want to go ahead and check it out. But yeah, and this wig too. This wig is in my TikTok showcase. It's my everyday wig, my gym wig, my errands wig at the moment. Love it. It's so like juicy. It's a kinky curly glueless drawstring wig. Love it. So nice. It's a 5x7 closure. But yeah, today is it's been bleaky. It's been rainy and bleaky since I've been here because there's a trough over the island. I hope by next week it going, because we're literally 1 week away from Carnival now. Like I thought about it this morning. I was like, what? Insane. 1 week away from Carnival. I literally have my first little unboxing to show you guys, but you have to stay tuned for the next vlog. I'm sorry. Everything Carnival is coming up in the next vlog, so you guys need to go ahead and subscribe, you know, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, keep up with me. If you want to see me on a daily, I'm over TikTok these are my TikToks, okay? Follow both of them. One is where I link everything that I show you so you can get everything on TikTok shop on that one, and the next one is unlinked, okay? So yeah, you could go ahead and follow both. You guys know if you're new here, I'm a beauty girly at heart. I love everything makeup, skincare, hair, perfume, just hygiene, all of that. That's my thing. That's at the top. And then fashion is right there, lifestyle, fitness. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, you talk about them, somebody you talk about me. So that's the type of content you can expect to see there as well, or on all of my platforms actually. I low-key was expecting more from restaurants, but I just said good, you know, that's just how it is. Hopefully over time they might get better. Overall, customer service, we always talk about the customer service in Jamaica, like it needs to be fixed so badly. Like it really needs to be fixed. Like it really we can't stress it enough. There's no reason for people to be so sour. Still had a time going out nonetheless. Darbar and the music was a vibe. So yeah, that kind of took it. As I said last night, the last restaurant I go, their customer service was not bad, but they were just unorganized. You know, the food wasn't horrible. It really wasn't horrible, because their garlic cheesy naan is the best thing on the menu. I kid you that. If you go there, get the garlic cheesy naan. It's good. That's actually a 10. I don't think I gave that its moment, but that's a 10 out of 10. If you made it this far in today's vlog, I want you guys to go ahead and comment 3 sunshine emojis, because I really would love some sunshine right now. We're in Jamaica, like yeah, I really love some sunshine, but it's so cloudy. Anyways, that's it, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next vlog. But until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
Steam fish, crackers, 10 me, set your banner, have your under manners, whisper, come here, others.